Okay, so today's project, this car that we know by now, right? Its air conditioning is not working anymore, and the weather is about to get really warm, so we need to fix it as soon as possible. The first thing to check when it comes to air conditioning is the fuse box. So if you've watched my previous brake light switch video, you know that the fuse box is here. And what the fuse that we are going to check are these two. So number 5 here, this one, and number 16 here. I've already checked them, and I know that this is not the issue. If you are not sure how to check the fuse, watch my previous video on the brake light switch. So because it's not a fuse issue, I know that I'm gonna have to go here and again. So in order to go under the pedals here, I will have to remove this thing. I'm gonna do it. There's already a video on the brake light switch to show you how to do that. So yeah. Alright, so once you'll have removed it, you can see my brake light switch here. So this is exactly how I got to this part. There is one more step for this fix about the air conditioning. It's to remove this part here. And as you can see, it looks like we have to remove to unscrew this, but actually you don't. It's not one that you need to unscrew. You'll just have to pull on the part. So let me do that to show you how. Alright, so let's get to work. We're just gonna, yeah, you see, just pull and then slide it away from the right side. Here we go. Okay, great. Alright, so this is the part about the air conditioning that you need to check. And if you rotate the knob to go from cold to hot, this is what you will see, the movement that you will see. So it will have this full extent of range. What I see is that there is this, it seems like the round section got out of place there. So I don't know if so you see, we actually fixed it. So the idea was to push on this part here that was actually loose, push it up while turning the knob, the cold versus hot knob. So it's better to be two people. Basically, one pushes on this circle thing here that I'm highlighting with the lamp, and so this person pushes up while the other person turns the knob from cold to hot, hot to cold, like my friend is going to demonstrate now. So so you see, the person is going to turn the knob, and it's going to move like this. The other person is going to push on the part to pull it up, and eventually it's gonna click in place. And once it clicks in place, then you know that it's fixed. So normally ours is back in its place, so it means we fixed the car. But you know, we need to test it, right? So let's do the test. All right, that's, you know, my neck hurts. It's like the most uncomfortable fix ever. I recommend using a towel for your elbows and one for your knees. Moment of truth?
Yes, moment of truth.
It doesn't seem like it's working, Diane. I
Really?
mean, to me it feels warm. Feel it.
Well, have you got the air conditioning button on? Ah! Ah!
Now, moment. Ooh!
Seriously?
It's getting cold. Oh my god! Yes, it's
Really?
working. Yeah.
Oh my god, it is! Yay! That's fantastic!
We fixed it.
Thank you! God, that's fantastic!
Summer can come.